Want to know how to add your billing or your shipping address in Best Buy? So, while ordering for delivery, addresses are really necessary for you. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it if it's your first time directly through the sites. So, let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, you can just simply open up your Best Buy application. So, we have also created a video on how to install Best Buy and much more in our channel, so make sure to watch it. So, once you're here, on the bottom right side, you should be seeing your profile right here. Just simply select that with your name. So once you've selected the name, here you should be under my account, and right here you should also be seeing account settings. Just simply select that. And I want you under account settings. On top you should be seeing your info, and here you should also be seeing addresses. Just simply select that, and then your addresses should open up. Now just simply add your shipping address. Type in your first and last name, your street address, and your exact location right here, city, state, zip code, and your phone number finally, and then select save. So once that is on, your address should be saved and it should look like it has been saved right here. You can also add more. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.